Icds എക്സാമിനേഷന് വേണ്ടി പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്നവർക്കുള്ള സൈക്കോളജി റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. The theory of learning propounded by Pavlov is malfunction. Every aspect of a personality to be measured is a measure of individual verification as said by Skinner. What are the factors affecting insight, wisdom, effort and experience? When learning is acquired by seeing or touching an object, then it is called perceptual learning. Who is the exponent of the theory of learning or behavior is Clark Hull. And motivation comes under addiction. Kohler's theory of learning is known by stimulus response theory. What is the important tool for the formation of personality? It's imitation. Learning is not possible unless a person is physically and mentally mature. The cause of learning failure is failure of understanding. The statement is said by Merzel. How many types of sub-reinforcement did Skinner use? 4 types of sub-reinforcement is whatever new work we do, we assimilate it. It is related to the law of self-realization. Psychology as a science of mind defined by ancient Greek philosophers. Scientific psychology was first accepted in the year 1879. Father of experimental psychology, Wilhelm Wundt. Who written the book Outline Psychology? It's M.C. Douglas. Founder of cognitive theory of emotions, Schatzler Singer. Who developed Inkpot test for personality? It's Rorschach. Perception of movement is called phi phenomenon. Which psychologist given more importance to insight learning? It's Kohler. Who has given the concept of general adaptation syndrome? GAS. It's Selye. Writing gratitude diary is a part of positive psychology. Psychological theory of perception is associated with Hebb. Author of the book Authentic Happiness is written by Seligman. Authentic Happiness. The term positive psychology was coined by Abraham Maslow. Drive reduction theory is Lerner's given by Hull. Who differentiated between inner and external speech? It's Vygotsky. Ego is based on the principle of reality, which is usually known as relay station. It's thalamus. Thalamus is known as relay station. Eustress is a type of positive form of stress. Eustress. The number of stages psychosocial development as described by Erikson, 8 stages. Positive emotion kit was developed to counter depression. Who has given the two-factor theory of intelligence? Spearman. The founding father of the group guidance movement. It's Frank Parson. Reinforcement theory of motivation is given by Skinner. The two-factor theory of motivation is given by Herzberg. Who has made the first intelligence test? It's Binet. Irrational fear from doing work is called ergophobia. Tudor preference record as a test for interest. Who has developed social distance scale? It's Bogardus. Levin formulated the idea of life space. Social cognitive theory is given by Bandura. Who believed that the interpretation of dreams could be an important part of psychotherapy? It's Freud. Item response theory is also known as latent response theory. Information enters into short-term memory through a process as known as selective attention. When a person changes his cultural identity, he or she is known as migrated. Founder of social psychology, Kurt Lewin. Intrinsic motivation theory was developed by Harlow. Acquiring new behavior by observing is known as modeling. Social behavior can be taught to the child through various social activities. Thank you.